Welcome back to my channel. Alright guys, what you're about to witness today is not just disturbing. It's a clear example of how fast situations can spiral out of control in public. A routine First Amendment audit suddenly turns into chaos, threats, and a situation so intense that even law enforcement gets involved, or at least they were supposed to. But here's the real question. What happens when the system doesn't respond? Stay with me, because this one takes a turn you definitely didn't see coming.
What is going on today, everybody? Today we're here in beautiful Dayton, Ohio, and we're going to be going around and doing our regular thing, stress testing the First Amendment right to record in public, seeing how the public and or the public officials act if they do arrive out here today. So as usual, thank you for being here. Stick around. Well, all right, everybody, today we are at the Off the Charts dispensary here in Dayton, Ohio. And I'm not sure if it's called the Garden Dispensary now, or if that's just under new management, or what exactly. It didn't say that on Google Maps, so it's a little bit different. I wasn't expecting that. But we are right off the highway type area here today, so we should have a bunch of traffic. So let's see how it goes out here today. So as far as I can see right now, I see one camera right there, another one facing directly at me, one more over here facing their parking lot in the street, right down the street, right into the public. So I don't think we should have any problems with cameras here today. Parking lot is starting to fill up now.
Alright guys, today we're stepping into the streets of Dayton, Ohio, and things are already feeling unpredictable. This isn't just another casual day. This is a full-on First Amendment audit, where the mission is simple but powerful. Test the public's reaction to being recorded in open spaces. As the camera rolls near what appears to be the off-the-charts dispensary, the environment seems calm at first. Traffic flows, surveillance cameras are everywhere, and nothing seems out of place. But let's be real, situations like this can flip in seconds. And today, it absolutely does.
Get the f over here, man. You ain't about to do that shit.
What's up? Not gonna take his bad day out on me.
If he try anything with you, we're gonna beat his ass.
Yeah? Well, I'll keep the camera on him. I appreciate the help.
Follow me, bro.
Hey, don't take your bad day out on me.
No. Hey, are you videoing?
Yeah, I am.
Okay, get the f***ing camera.
Hey, get the f away from me. Get the f
I'll
away
knock
from
your
me.
ass silly. Hey,
Get
listen.
the f away from me.
Hey,
Get
I'll
the f away from me.
You
right
makes me bitch. I'll knock your ass silly, boy.
right now.
Get the f***ing camera off me,
Get
boy.
away from me right now, bro.
Get the fucking camera off me, bro. Get the
I'm
camera
not
off
gonna
me.
take one more
Mind
step
your own
back.
business, dog.
I'm not
Mind
gonna
your
take
own
one more
business.
step back. Just go. Just go. I am.
Nah, man, shit hangs up in my
Just
business.
go. Just go.
Hey, like I said, look.
Have a good day.
Get that camera off me,
Just
bro.
have a good day.
Doing his own thing, bro.
Just
I
have a good
seen
day.
that, but then he got in my business. He didn't have to turn the
Just have a
camera on
good
me.
day.
Thing, bro. Go about your business, man.
This thing's
Just have
right
a
here,
good
but
day.
it ain't on my face.
Take it easy.
Nah, I ain't doing that. Look, get the fucking camera off me, bro. Get the camera off me, you knock the fuck out. You still gonna sit there and video?
Yeah, I'm making sure you don't do no crazy shit.
Go fund you, son.
What's up?
Go fund you, son.
Hey,
Yeah, I'm making sure you don't do no crazy shit.
Go fund you, son.
What's up?
listen, y'all walk. Hey, y'all came up over here while he was doing his thing, bro. Don't walk up on him like you about to do something to him, though, bro. Yeah, that's what you need to go and figure out, my nigga. Don't be coming up on him on that shit, bro. Fuck you think this is?
Appreciate you, bro.
Man, yeah, bro. I wasn't about to sit there and let nothing happen.
Appreciate you, man. Thank you very much.
Fucked up.
Hell yeah, bro. Glad there's some normal people out here like you still.
Y'all came up over here while he was doing his thing, bro.
Right, he was.
Don't walk up on him.
He's video. Hey, what the fuck is my bitch at? Hold on.
Yeah, that's what you
Look.
coming up on him on that shit, bro. Fuck you think this is?
Appreciate you, bro.
Man, yeah, bro. I wasn't about to sit there and let nothing happen.
Appreciate you,
bro.
man. Thank you
got
very
me
much.
fucked up.
Hell yeah, bro. Glad there's some normal people out here like you
Yeah,
still.
like, what type of shit is that, man? If you having a bad day, take your bad day to your fucking house, man. Take your bad day to your fucking house. Don't put that shit on nobody else.
All right, now things start heating up fast. What began as a quiet observation turns into pure chaos. A man suddenly loses control, aggression takes over, and the tension skyrockets. Threats are thrown, voices are raised, and the situation quickly turns hostile. This is where reality hits hard. People don't always understand the law, and emotions take over logic. But then, something unexpected happens. Bystanders step in. Real people stepping up, calming things down, and preventing the situation from spiraling completely out of control. This moment right here, it shows both the worst and the best of public reaction.
He thought this is, man. That's why the world fucked up how it is now. He just don't know. It's
Couldn't be
people
more
like me
right.
that'll whoop him up ass for trying to fuck with somebody that's doing their own thing.
I appreciate you, man. I appreciate you.
All right, bro. Have a good one, man.
You too, man. Well, I gotta say, this is something that has never happened to me before while I'm auditing, so I'm gonna call the cops real quick just to make sure this guy doesn't do any crazy shit. Hang tight right here, and we'll be right back and listen to the call.
Regional dispatch.
How you doing? So I'm having a little bit of a problem here. I'm standing out on the road here outside of the Off the Charts dispensary in Dayton, Ohio. I have this guy in a truck. He's driving around chasing his girlfriend or his wife up and down the road and acting crazy, saying he's gonna beat her ass. Came up and threatened me, said he was gonna beat my ass. And you know, I'm here, I have my pepper spray, and this guy is acting completely erratic in a truck.
Can you see what he's wearing?
Yeah, I think he's in like a gray, like jeans, blue jeans. He's in his truck now driving. I think he's in blue jeans and a gray shirt. His truck is not hard to miss at all. It's in like half of his bumper is ripped off, and he's driving a trailer. And he's really chasing his girl around. She's really, really scared and freaking out and yelling and telling him to stay away from her. And she, you know, I was trying to see if I could help her out, but she was like running. She literally ran like through 6 lanes of traffic here to get away from the guy. So it's a pretty serious situation.
Okay. Okay, alrighty. I've got that call in.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Sorry about that. I wasn't even paying attention. How's it going, man? Hey, you have a good day, all right?
You got my license plate on there?
What's up?
You got my license plate?
Not really. Why?
Alright, I'm gonna call the police.
Okay. What do you think they're gonna do?
After I let them, they were already talking about calling the police.
What are they gonna do? Nothing? That sounds about right.
All right, now we're entering serious territory. The situation escalates beyond just words, and it's time to bring in law enforcement. A call is made, and the details are intense. A man allegedly chasing a woman, making threats, acting completely unstable. This isn't just an audit anymore. This is a potential danger unfolding in real time. The description is clear, the urgency is real, and the expectation is simple. Police should respond. But as minutes pass, frustration builds. The system that's supposed to respond quickly seems delayed or maybe not coming at all.
They've already called the police. So I'm
Okay.
gonna call them too.
Sounds good.
You're trying to be like Nick Shirley. You will never be as famous or anywhere close to him.
All right. Who is Nick Shirley?
At the area.
Oh, okay. And look at that. He could probably almost see me on his rear view camera right now, on his backup camera. That's funny.
They're coming.
Well, all right, everybody, that's going to be it here today from the Off the Charts dispensary here in front of me. And you know, I gotta say, I think that might have been a first for the auditing community, and that would have been absolutely off the charts, a different type of craziness. if the cops actually came around. It's been over like an hour, maybe just a little bit less since I called the police, so I don't think they're going to come around. I don't know if they found the guy, I don't know what. I'll have to look for it later. Maybe I'll see a story online or two. Or maybe you guys can identify that guy for me, and we'll see. Maybe we can get in touch with him later, or maybe we can figure out what the rest of the story is from here on out. But I gotta say, that was a different situation than I've ever dealt with before. I've never seen anybody that does what I do deal with this either, so it would have been a first. But other than that, the usual couple Karens, people don't know what they're talking about, getting upset over a phone on a sidewalk. It's absolutely ridiculous. The stupidity today here in Dayton, Ohio, besides the police for not showing up, has been absolutely off the chart. But overall, let me know what your favorite part was today in the comments. And if you're not already subscribed, make sure you go subscribe and turn on those bell notifications to never miss the latest and greatest. And the best of the best. Catch you guys in the next.
All right, guys, now we reach the aftermath. And honestly, it's just as shocking. Despite the chaos, the threats, and the serious call made earlier, no officers arrive. Time passes, and the reality sinks in. This could have ended much worse. The streets return to normal, but the questions remain. Why didn't law enforcement show up? What happened to the suspect? And most importantly, what does this say about public safety? At the end of the day, this audit didn't just test people. It exposed reactions, flaws, and unpredictable human behavior. And trust me, this one was completely off the charts.